as you know. Sometimes, if you move CAT part document from visualization to design mode, you could face part number confliction problem. Then, let's see how to solve it. Now, we have the instant name, then followed by the name of document, which means the visualization mode is active. Select the main product. Click the Insert Existing Component icon. Double-click Crank Screw 2. Now, let's switch Crank Screw 1 to the Design mode. Right-click Crank Screw. Then choose Representations and select the Design mode. A part number conflict panel is displayed. That's because both of crank screw have the same part number. Let's rename one of them. For instance, select the second one and click Rename. Let's use crank screw new and click OK. You see, now we don't have problem